Imagine logging into your bank account one morning only to see this: your balance wiped clean, your files locked by ransomware, and your credit report showing you accounts you never opened. Sounds like a nightmare, right? The truth is, this is happening to thousands of people every single day in 2025. But here's the good news: you can fight back. Today, I'm showing you 3 essential habits that will future-proof your finances against the growing cyber threats targeting your money. Welcome back to Jay Get It, the channel that makes money, banking, and cybersecurity simple and practical. In this episode, we'll cover why backing up your data offline is your last line of defense against ransomware, how to build and manage strong, unique passwords for every financial account, and why regularly monitoring your bank statements and credit reports is one of the smartest financial habits you can develop. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple but powerful system to protect your financial future. Let's start with the most overlooked financial security habit: backups. Here's the reality: ransomware is one of the fastest growing cybercrimes in 2025. Hackers lock your files, everything from tax returns to business documents, and demand thousands of dollars to release them. Sometimes, even if you pay, they never give your files back. So how do you protect yourself? By backing up your data to secure offline location. Think of backups like insurance. You hope you never need them, but if disaster strikes, they can save everything. Here's how to do it right. Number 1. Use the 3-2-1 rule. Keep 3 copies of your data, 1 primary, 1 on a local external drive, and 1 offsite or cloud-based. Number 2. Go offline. Ransomware can infect connected drives. That's why one backup should be completely offline, like an external hard drive stored safely. Number 3. Automate it. Set reminders or use software to back up weekly. Think about it. If ransomware locks your laptop, but you've got a secure offline copy of your financial records, the hackers lose all their power. And don't forget, backups are just for businesses. Your household budget, retirement accounts, tax filings, all these deserve protection. The last thing you want is to lose your years of financial history overnight. Now, let's move to the second habit: passwords. Here's the truth: weak passwords are still one of the biggest reasons hackers get into financial accounts. And guess what? They don't even have to hack in a way you think. They often just guess or buy leaked passwords from the dark web. If you're reusing the same password for multiple accounts, you're basically leaving the front door wide open. So here's how to build passwords that actually work in 2025. Number 1. Strong and long. Use at least 12 to 16 characters with a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. Number 2. Unique for every account. Never reuse. Your bank password should not be the same as your Netflix password. Number 3. Use a password manager. Tools like 1Password, Dashlane, or LastPass create and store complex passwords for you. It's like a vault where you only need to remember one master key. Here's why a password manager matters. Nobody can remember 30 unique, strong passwords for all their accounts. But a manager can. It'll autofill login safely, warn you if a password is weak, and even alert you if your credentials show up in a data breach. Pro tip: if your password manager offers biometric login, use it. Fingerprint or Face ID makes security fast and convenient. And don't forget, always pair your strong passwords with a multi-factor authentication, MFA, if your financial institution offers it. That way, even if hackers get your password, they still can't get it without your second factor. The third habit is all about staying proactive. You don't just set up security and walk away, you monitor it. One of the smartest ways to future-proof your finances is by regularly checking your bank statements and credit report. Here's why. Hackers often test stolen cards with small charges, first like $1 or $2. If you miss them, they move on to the bigger fraud. Credit reports. Credit reports show if someone opened accounts in your name. If you don't check, you could be months behind while your credit score tanks. So here's what to do. Number 1, bank statements. Review them weekly. Set up alerts for large or unusual transactions. Many banking apps let you do this for free. Number 2, credit reports. By law, you're entitled to free credit reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Check them at least 3 times per year or monthly with a monitoring service. Number 3, look for red flags. Charges you don't remember, accounts you didn't open, addresses you don't recognize. Catching fraud early is the difference between a small headache and a financial disaster. The longer fraud goes unnoticed, the harder it is to fix. Real world example. A viewer once told me they spotted a $3 charge from an online store they never heard of. It seemed tiny, but it was a hacker testing their card. They froze the account immediately and avoided losing thousands. That's the power of monitoring. You spot the smoke before it becomes a fire. Let's recap the 3 essential habits to future-proof your finances in 2025. Back up your data offline so ransomware can't hold your financial life hostage. Create strong, unique passwords with a password manager and add multi-factor authentication for an extra shield. Monitor your accounts and credit reports so you catch fraud before it spirals out of control. Cyber threats aren't slowing down, but with these habits, you can stay one step ahead and protect your money. If this video gave you value, smash that like button, subscribe for more financial protection tips, and drop a comment below. Which of these 3 habits are you already doing? And which one do you need to start today? Future-proofing your finances isn't about being paranoid. It's about being prepared. Backups, strong passwords, and regular monitoring all small steps that make a huge difference. Stay secure, stay smart, and as always, Jay get it. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial, legal, or cybersecurity advice. Always consult a qualified professional for personalized guidance.